Hello, I am Tamás Lezák, Chief Executive of Moveo Corporation, Hungary, the developer of Moveo, the ultra-lightweight folding electric scooter. Transportation responsible for a quarter of greenhouse gas emissions, low occupancy rate of cars, frequent traffic jams in urban areas, all make a versatile, environmental-friendly individual transportation increasingly important. Moveo has the answer for these problems. The power, speed and range performance of an electric scooter is cast into a low-weight, frameless folding carbon composite body, making it the lightest vehicle in its category. The lightweight and unmatched practical portability make Moveo the right choice whether to be used in urban traffic, commuting or holidays, either as an individual or a last-mile transport solution. With your help, we can now take Moveo to the market. Thank you and see you at jumpstartcity.com.